私の隣に可愛い子がいます。
にゃん。
Welcome to YS Online. I am your host Dice, coming to you from the Y Suzuki Nihongo Learning Center in Quezon City, the Philippines. Last lesson we learned the sentence structure. Place ni something ga arimasu or imasu. If you remember this sentence structure is used to explain kung ano yung nasa lugar, whether it's a person, animal, object. Today, dadagdagan natin yung sentence natin. With today's sentence structure, ipapaliwanag natin kung saan banda ng isang bagay or lugar ang ating objects, people, or animals. So, our sentence for today is noun no position ni something ga arimasu or imasu. Our first noun is going to be a thing, person, or place. Our second noun is going to be the position. So, sa ibabaw, ibaba, kanan, or kaliwa. And then, our third noun is going to be yung bagay na gusto natin banggitin. Before we go to the full sentences, umpisahan muna natin yung sentence fragment natin, which is noun no position. Pagsanayan natin, no? And before that, let's start with positions. Itaas or ibabaw, we have ue. Sa ibaba naman or ilalim, we have shita. Sa harap naman, so that's you guys, we have mae. Sa likod, we have ushiro. To the right, we have migi. And to the left, we have hidari. Sa loob, we have naka. At sa labas naman, we have soto. Malapit is chikaku. Next to, katabi is tonari. At sa gitna naman, we have aida. So, handa na ba kayong tukuyin ang eksaktong location ng bagay, tao, or lugar? So here, meron tayong mesa. In Japanese, that's tsukue. Tsukue. Now, let's try to say on top of the table or sa ibabaw ng mesa. So, ue, shita, migi, or hidari. Yes, we want to say ue. So, if we want to say sa ibabaw ng mesa, ganito siya sa Japanese. Tsukue no ue. Alright, isa pang example. Let's use me as an example. Let's say na beside the boy, boy. Boy in Japanese is otoko no ko. And beside is mae, ushiro, chikaku, or tonari. That's right, tonari. So, beside the boy is otoko no ko no tonari. Alright, good. So, paano yung sa gitna ng blank at blank? That's going to be something to something no aida. So, yung to natin dito is for and. Okay, good. Okay, moving on. So, up until now, meron na tayong something no position. Next naman, lagyan natin ng object. And we're going to do this by adding ni something ga arimasu or imasu. So here, we have a car. Kuruma. At sa ibabaw niya, meron tayong pusa or neko. So, sa ibabaw ng kotse is kuruma no ue. Tapos, merong pusa is neko ga imasu. Don't forget, pag may puso, imasu siya, not arimasu. Okay, so buuin natin yung sentence natin. There is a cat on top of the car. May pusa sa ibabaw ng kotse. In Japanese, that would be kuruma no ue ni neko ga imasu. Alright, one more example. This time naman, meron tayong payong sa ilalim ng mesa. So, location muna ulit ang banggitin natin. Sa ilalim ng mesa. Ang mesa sa Japanese ay tsukue. Ang ilalim naman ay shita. So, we have tsukue no shita. Next, ano yung meron? Payong. So, payong in Japanese is kasa. Merong payong is kasa ga arimasu. Alright, so ipagsama natin siya ngayon. There is an umbrella under the table is 3, 2, 1. Tsukue no shita ni kasa ga arimasu. Kayo naman, let's do some exercises. Ready? Have a look at the sentences on the screen now. Paano siyang gawing Japanese? Leave your answers in the comment section below. And that's it for today's lesson. Thank you very much for watching as always. If you like this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel below para alam ninyo every time na may lumalabas kaming mga bagong videos. For YSNLC, my name is Dice. Ja, mata ne!